What is going on in the investor lending world at this point? Where are you seeing it? I know you talk to peers in the industry. So what is your take and what is Rehab Financial Group doing a little differently?
First, as far as what's going on in the industry, there's never been a higher degree of uncertainty, I think, in the space in general. I think this is not like the credit crisis that happened back in 2008. I think this is a health crisis that's turning into a financial crisis that's turning into a lot of concerns associated with the housing industry. As far as what has occurred, the reactions have never been quicker. As soon as this started, and as soon as quarantine started, and as soon as the rules came into place, funding almost vanished overnight for a lot of different competitors in our space. A lot of those competitors were dependent upon those non-government resources, and they pulled back the availability of money to those resources almost immediately. So unless you had your own money, those resources kind of disappeared. As far as where everybody is now, I think a lot of people are trying to come back and fund, but they are coming back with such stringent terms based off of where they're getting their money from, that they're really unable to really fund loans in a real meaningful manner. The difference with us is that we are a private lender. We have our own money. We have a friends and family fund behind us that we handle very responsible. That we lend very responsible. We actually service all of our own paper as well. So it really enables us to continue to fund with a little bit more of some stringent guidelines in place to protect the portfolio. Like I said, there's just a great deal of concern about where this is all going to have its greatest impact.